welcome back. Today is 5-minute makeup. I have to get ready quickly. ABH Dewy set as my primer. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Light Wonder. Beauty blender. I'm using the Becca under eye corrector. I believe this is light, the lightest one. That's all I'm doing, by the way. Doing the Film Star Bronze and Glow. A little bit in the eyes. Gonna use I'm gonna put on some blush. It's the Cheek to Cheek in Love Glow by Charlotte Tilbury. A little bit on my nose. Use a little bit of highlighter from that same Film Star Bronze and Glow. Put on some mascara. Some lip gloss from Buxom. What is this? White Russian Sparkle. And that's it. That's my 5-minute makeup look this year. If you like videos like this, consider subscribing, hit the notification bell, hit the like button. It helps me be seen by other people. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.